Hello and welcome back to Ramsport. In today's video we get up close and personal with this 1965 Austin Mini Moke. Our client has instructed us to carry out the task of replacing these more modern style seats and returning them to the original specification steel version with a padded cushion to match the rear. Whether aiming for an authentic restoration or simply want to enhance the vintage charm, this upgrade is sure to make a difference, so let's get started. The Mini Moke, originally known as the Austin Mini Moke, is a unique and iconic vehicle that has an interesting history. It was designed as a lightweight, all-terrain vehicle for the British Motor Corporation by Sir Alec Izagonis, the same engineer who created the classic Mini. First introduced in 1964 as a response to the British military requirements for a compact, rugged vehicle that could easily be transported by helicopter. However, the military contract fell through and it was instead offered to the public as a civilian vehicle. With its open-top design and simple construction, it quickly gained popularity as a fun and versatile recreational vehicle. Its compact size and excellent manoeuvrability made it suitable for both on and off-road driving, and it became particularly popular with beachside resorts and tropical destinations. Over the years, the Moke has gone through various changes and has had different production runs in different countries. Production ceased in the UK in 1968, but it continued in Australia until 1981 and in Portugal until 1993, also having a brief revival in the 1990s with limited production in the UK and Australia. Not only enjoyed by the public, it's also a great screen vehicle, being seen driven by James Bond in the movie Live and Let Die, and also in the late 60s hit TV series The Prisoner, filmed here in North Wales at Port Merion. These lightweight vehicles have been used regularly in motorsport, in particular auto solo. The cars are put on a strict diet and thrown around a set of courses in both forward and reverse, and it's a great spectacle to witness. Today, the Mini Moke remains an iconic symbol of carefree and adventurous motoring, and its quirky design and unique charm have made it a beloved classic car, sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. With works complete, it's time for a road test and delivery back to the client. Right, that's the work's all done. I'm going to return this now to the client so they can enjoy it once again. Thanks for watching.